Boardmasters Festival has been operating in Watergate Bay since 2006. We've been here a fair few years now. Z&D have supported us through the last 15-16 years in doing that. There are approximately 32 kilometres of fence panels deployed over 7 days, and we provide 5,000 crowd barriers. We rent it through Speedy, who buy from Z&D. The reason we use Z&D products is SmartWeld round top fence panels we think are probably the best on the market. I think their products are really well made, and we wouldn't tend to use anything else. People copy this, it looks the same, but it's just not made as well. We have to clear site within 6 days, everything off, loaded and gone to the next job. We have to let the site be cleaned, and we can take it out pretty much twice as quick as it goes in. We still need to keep this site secure, so the issue we have is we can't take the perimeter out until everybody else is off. We're always the first in and the last off. On the grand scheme of things, you have staging guys, you have power guys, and ironically enough, without the fence panel to demarc or put a perimeter in, of whatever form, whether it's a steel shield panel or a Z&D panel, without a perimeter, you've got no site. So I think this is really important. In reality, without this, it's no panels, no show.